Hello guys, how you doing? Beautiful day down here in Hialeah, Florida. Alright, let's see what we got going on here today. Alright. Remember guys, I'm doing this video for my eBay store. I'm not trying to teach you anything. I'm not trying to fix anything. This is for my customers that want more. Picture is not enough. And the one sound. Also gonna do the video in Spanish at the end. Voy a hacer el video en español al final, mi gente. Por favor, esperen. Oh, wait, déjame buscar ahí. Sorry, guys. Okay, let's see what we got going on here. Okay, looks like everything with acceleration is working so far. But don't trust me, you know I'm a salesperson. Okay. Alright, we got the clutch here. Let me see if it's missing the cap. Maybe if I have, I'm gonna put it. I don't know if I have it there. Just look at the mess I have going on over there. Maybe it's inside there somewhere. Look at this would be a steal. Guys, I'm gonna sell everything. I'm gonna put a lot. I'm gonna work up to late today. I'm trying to put 10 machines a day. I'm gonna try my best, okay? Well, here we cannot lock it because we don't have the, you know, to do a little test. Sorry about it. Okay, the moment of truth. Look at that, guys. My God. Look at that. Remember, guys, I sell for parts. This is a broken machine. This is a damaged equipment. If you're trying to fix this machine, you're making a big mistake. Why? Because it's damaged. Guys, that's all for parts. Alright, enough is enough. We're going to put everything back. And we're going to give it a shot to see where we are, okay? Alright, we got it. Alright, let's see where we are with the gas. I haven't checked it. Oh yeah. Oh no, it looks like I thought it had for a moment, but not only the spirit. That's good, she's a warrior. I got a good feeling about this one. Let me see the oil. Oh, it's empty. The oil it is completely empty. Like empty. Alright, what we want to do is we're going to throw just a little bit here if you want, just because of, you see. Alright, now you should go like that, a little only. And you open here, remember guys, you accelerate both of them, you just throw a little there, not too much. I know you like to throw a lot, easy on it. Alright, this is a spark plug, they came with it. Remember always to check, I get machines in with this going like that, going open, of course they're never going to start. Alright, we're going to use mine. We're going to use the doctor. Alright, let's go. Alright, we'll make sure that we're not stopped. How we know that? You get the cord. I know you get Robert, come on. I know it's just too many machines, guys. You know how many I do? That's the stuff. Okay, right there. Whee! This has a kick. Oh. I was gonna say compression, but since lately everything is political correctness, it's the piston. I felt the piston going up and down with. You feel me? All right, guys. So far, handle works. Well, when I went up, it stuck on me a moment, but it went again. Maybe let's say 90% handle. I don't know, maybe it was me, I didn't put time up, but well, 90. Handle works, coil works, and flywheel works. How did that? I sell for parts. This is a broken machine. This is a damaged equipment. If you're trying to fix this machine, you're making a big mistake. Why? Because it's broken. It's damaged. Guys, if you're gonna buy from a store, please don't make me waste my time. If you don't know what you're doing, you don't know how to fix, you don't own a shop, you're not a landscaper for a long time, please. I got customers that depend on me, they're waiting for a week before. Come on, guys. Please don't make me waste my time on my customers. Thank you. Hola, mi gente. ¿Qué me dice la raza? Mira cómo tengo la carne ahí asegurada. Me están llegando cada vez más los paticos esos lindos y uno de aquí le da comida con el disimulo. Mira los que bien están ahí cogiendo sombra. Ya ustedes saben, igual que los pescados, tengo esta esquina aquí lo más lindo. Después les enseño todo lo que he hecho, que no he tenido tiempo. Mi gente, ya saben, tenemos unos Husqvarna 240. Ahí para allá ustedes saben cómo funciona esto. Yo vendo para partes. Desarmo todo para enseñarle un poquito mejor todo. Me gusta ser claro, enseñar claridad, no me gusta usted sabe, decir mentiras. Por eso es que hago los videos y me dedico mi tiempo para que cuando ustedes reciban la máquina también tengan la misma flexibilidad hacia mí de saber, coño, Roberto, verdad que sin palabras, gracias. Ok, el cover del cloche lo más probable es que lo tenga por ahí tirado a algún lado. Si lo encuentro lo tiro, si no lo estamos vendiendo así. Voy a poner muchas máquinas, ya he puesto unas cuantas, voy a poner más, tengo eso lleno por ahí para abajo, guys, tengo que limpiar. Así que síganme, recomiéndenme, hablen de mí como ustedes quieran, guíndenme. Pero voy a poner el equipo cantidad, de todo tipo. Gracias, mi gente. No hay más nada que decirle, la ladera funciona. Bueno, se me trabó, pero después soltó. Vamos a decir un 90. La bobina funciona. Y ¿qué es lo otro? La mariposa funciona ahí para allá. Recuérdense, vendo para parte. Gracias, mi gente, que se una a la raza. Un saludo a mi gente.